Jagged edge, it's been carving up the air inside this room. I've been tethered to a phantom ledge, watching petals fall before they ever bloom. Yeah. The pressure's mounting in the marrow, a drumbeat echoing against the glass. Every word I swallow is an arrow, passage for the firemen to pass. The mercury is rising in the vein, an engine grinding gears inside the chest. I'm tired of the quiet and the rain, I'm putting all the ghosts to rest. Now watch the dam break, watch the flood, the iron taste of courage in my blood. It's a riot in the wires, a fever in the sky. I'm tearing down the ceiling just to reach the light. Let it crash, let it burn, let the wreckage fly. This is the wreckage of a long goodbye. An explosion of the gold, an explosion of the blue. I'm finally breaking everything I knew. I'm finally breaking everything I knew. The wallpaper is peeling back the years, revealing all the cracks I tried to hide. I'm washing out the sediment and the fears, turning all the hollows inside out and wide. Gravity is losing its command, I'm floating through the debris of the old. A lightning strike held captive in my head, a story that refused to stay untold. The mercury is spilling on the floor, the cup